Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a border around a column in WordPress. In this guide, you will be taken through a series of steps that will enable you to enhance the appearance of your website by customizing the style of one of its columns. We will begin by accessing the main WordPress site. Open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, direct your focus to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login button will lead you to the sign in page. After initiating the login process, you are presented with the option to continue with a familiar account. In this step, select the continue with Google option and then choose your account from the list presented. This streamlined method allows you to quickly sign into the WordPress dashboard by leveraging your existing Google account credentials. With your account now active, you have successfully logged in and are ready to further customize your website. The next part of the process involves navigating to the quick links section of your dashboard. This area provides convenient shortcuts to various site management functions. Locate and click on the option labeled Edit Site. By doing this, you open the powerful site editor that WordPress offers, where you can adjust many different design elements to match your desired look. Within the site editor, direct your attention toward the top right corner. Here you will find an option called the Document Overview, a feature designed to provide a structured outline of your site's content. Clicking on this overview helps you visualize the layout and the relationship of different elements on your page. With a clear understanding of your site's construction, you can now move on to selecting the specific column you wish to enhance with a border. When you have identified the target column, click on it to select it. This action will bring up a range of customization options specific to that column on the right-hand side of the screen. Focus your attention on the Styles tab located on this panel. The Styles tab is where you can modify visual elements such as colors, margins, and typography settings, which in turn affect how your column appears. This is the area that holds the settings to personalize your column further. Continue by scrolling through the available options until you reach the border and shadow section. This section is dedicated solely to the styling of borders and shadow effects. Here you have control over several aspects of the border, including its thickness, color, and style. Experiment with the available options to see how each setting changes the appearance of your column. Adjust the border settings until the design meets your expectations and the column stands out on your page in a visually appealing manner. At this point, you have completed the process of adding a border around a column in WordPress. By following these logical steps, you transform your website aesthetic and enhance the structural clarity of your content. Enjoy the fresh look of your enhanced site and take pride in the new level of customization you have achieved using WordPress.